I'm Bryan DeLuca, and I am here with Perry Shugart in the Microchip booth at APEC, and he's going to explain a little bit about what Microchip is doing.
Thanks, Brian. You know, a lot of people don't know how much Microchip has in power, but when you look at it, we have silicon switches, we have what's called hybrid, which takes that silicon switch and then pairs it up with a silicon carbide diode. And then we have full SiC, we have RF, we have GaN-on silicon carbide, we have microwave, we have a lot of wide bandgap technologies. You know, the message here is we don't force fit a solution for our customers. Being able to pull from this wide spectrum of technologies allows us to really fine tune that answer for what the customer needs. And if you look at how we take these to market, we'll sell the die by itself. We also have an embedded technology which takes that die and puts it into a PCB itself.
Okay.
So if you've really got some space constraints, that's the kind of technology people are looking for. We have standard packages, we have what's called baseplate-less, so if it moves and there's mass associated with it, that's not good. So we take out the base plate to reduce the mass, so drones, eVTOLs, all that, the battery will last longer. We have high performance module packages, multifunction, and also hybrid drives with literally the gate driver included. And whether you need industrial, automotive, or up to space, we do it all. And then one thing that really differentiates us is our ability to take our standard products and do what's called derivatives. Customers may say, hey, I like this, but I want this minor tweak. We do that very well, and we can do a full custom. So if you look at this spectrum, it's amazing, and it's really where can Microchip take you with your power needs.
So here's a question. What do engineers need to know when they're working with Microchip, just besides the full gamut, right? What do they need to know? What's the one thing?
They need to just come to us.
They need to
a
come
lot
to
of times Microchip is associated with the controller.
Okay.
And they may say, hey, I've seen this part here, it looks really great, I'm thinking maybe that will be best for my application, I'm paralleling 4 of these.
Okay.
And we say, okay, you know what, we've got this other technology that might be a better solution for you. So by opening up that dialogue, we're able to find a better solution than just what's maybe available on our website.
So knowing there's a lot of options here, even the custom one, right?
Yes.
You could build something custom for them.
Yeah.
Well, Perry, thank you for showing me what you have going on at Microchip today.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.